what I'm going to talk to you about in this video. So if you want to start affiliate marketing but not sure how everything works, how to be successful with it, or maybe you have been involved with affiliate marketing but you want, then this video is for you as well. I want to show you this low-cost program that will teach you everything step by step. It's called the Cub Challenge. And are you ready to find any business without any previous experience or technical knowledge? And here you can click to start the 3-day challenge through the link below. And here you see what it's all about. You can check out the page yourself through the link below. Day 1, newborn. Day 2, the hunt. A doc library for a value of $79.75. And today's price is only $9. I'm not sure how long this inexpensive offer will be up, but anyway, what's cool about this, in so many other products they are upsales, and it's upsales in this product as well. But what is cool is even if you don't invest in any of the upsales, you still will earn commissions when your referrals, your leads buys the upgrade. So that's pretty cool. So but let's now check out the training inside the Cub to Lion. You don't have to invest in any paid tools and so on. You simply benefit from creating free groups on Facebook, and you get training how to generate a lot of quality leads daily on Facebook. But anyway, here's how the training looks, and here's each step, step by step. Very detailed training, very easy to follow for beginners as well, total beginners. And every training is in a video form, and when you are done with a video, you just click on completed there. So and then the next lesson will show up here. And yeah, so if you want to finally make it big with affiliate marketing, building a real business, and get in for $9, then click the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Be free to subscribe and have an awesome day. Bye bye.